Aha, we are back right here again to give you the best offers for the day. Remember, we do our market research, we do our analysis, and we bring to you the best that we can afford. Sawa. And starting over with this Nissan, hii inaitangwa Nissan what? Nissan Juke. Yes, Nissan Juke with compound eyes. She's better than your girlfriend at night. Sasa, the reason why I'm saying it has a compound eyes, utaonyesha huko mbele tukiendelea. It has this space, the trunk space is massive enough for your shopping, and we have this unaonyesha ndani ni sawa. Haya, it is a subcompact SUV, remember? Nice, very nice. A 2019 model Nissan Juke. Ni zile Nissan Juke za kawaida, ni vile hapa mbele hata cameraman nikimtuma hata aweza kumulika vizuri because of the space But ni ile inakuwa na popping eyes. Zile compound eyes kama za. Yes, very nice. Hizo wameona. Tuendelee. Lazima ungeonyesha compound eyes. Ni sawa. So next, moving on. Hii inawapatia na only 2.2 million shillings. Very clean unit. It's a foreign used car. You're going to drive this car na utafurahia sana. Ndani, sijui kama utamulikia ndani because the last unit I showed you guys of the Nissan Juke, it was not so new, so you can see what you get from the inside. In fact, it comes with that clean finishing of the interior fabric, seats pale nini semi bucket seats pale. Hii inakuuzia hadi harufu mzuri ya gari mpya. So next, we moving on to this next unit over here. This is a Subaru SUV, XV, and this unit comes with only 2.7 million shillings. Mambo ni mingi kwa akili. 2.7 million shillings for this Subaru XV. You can show them a 360 as to proceed. Space ndio kidogo space ni ndogo. Yeah, the unit cars, there's so many here. Yeah, magari ni mingi sana hapa. We may struggle to inafunguliwa wapi? Kama tu yetu tunaachana nayo. Imefungwa, fungua sijui kwa wapi? Imefungwa. So we proceed over. This I'm giving you at 2.7 million shillings. I told you that. And we have next here, we have this Kaboon, Daihatsu Boon. This gari, hizi gari ndogo hizi, see, they are no longer small cars. This car, remember, comes with parking sensors. Yeah, gari ni mpya 2019 model. Hii inakupatia only. Remember, the reason nimekuambia hizi si gari ndogo siku hizi, it's because the prices are not ordinary prices. Zinacheza mahali hapo juu kidogo. This car comes at 1.1 million shillings. Buy and drive your car home. Remember, you can use this car for your cab business, or basically Uber business, if that is what you want to hear. So that is it. 1.1. We have Toyota Vitz. Hii Vitz nakupatia, this is a 2019 model. Remember, I'm giving you at only, hizi gari zimefunga zote, I'm giving you at only 1.45 million shillings. Gari unaenda nayo nyumbani. Tunakutolea mafuta, remember. Ukikuja na cash. Yeah, cash deal, lazima tukutolee kitu. Haya purchase, hiyo tunaongea vile tutaeleana. But you can pay up to 24 months, especially if it's on a higher purchase. We have another Boon here, 1.1. Comes in white. Ile ingine ni kala ingine sijui green. Some, I don't know, emerald. That's not emerald green, but some funny green. Not funny. It's a very, very, very nice on the looks. Proceeding over, we have this Suzuki Alto. Remember what I'm always telling you guys. Si ati nawapeanga jaba. Hebu onyesha hapa vizuri kitu imeandikwa. Lipa pole pole. Drive off with ease up to 24 months installments. You should not worry because you don't have enough money to do to ride on the roads. So this car I'm giving you at only 900,000. Cash deal, of course. Tunatoa kitu, sawa? Yes. Proceeding over. Pixies Axis. Pixies a Porsche. Hii nakupatia at only 900,000. Clean unit, you can do your business with it. Suzuki Alto, the same as that unit pale. Nice, come over with me. Yes, let's do that as we proceed over. Kuja na mimi. Come with me. Yes, quick business. It's a hot day and I'm giving you cool offers. Yeah, on a hot day you demand. Oh, we are starting with this one. This one is out of market. Nissan Note Nismo E12 2019. Remember, Nismo comes with the theme colors of red and black, and that complements its looks. I want you to see This car, number one, yeah, it's a Nismo. It's a performance car. It's a sporty version of Nissan Note. You see, this blue gives you the performance of the e-power spec. Alafu, we have this aggressive grille here, reminding you it is a Nismo. Parking sensors all around. This beauty defined by the Nissan Nismo. Now you can see the ground clearance. Unaona, this car space, because it is a sporty car, you don't expect it to be high above like the clouds. It has to have a lower ground clearance. But for the purpose of the roads and the Kenyan standards, you can lift it to your standards. But this car I'm giving you at only 1.45 million shillings. Gari utanunua uende nayo nyumbani. Kuja uonyeshe director vizuri hapa, sijui kama wataona. Your lighting ni mingi sana, waonyeshe ndani. We have the bucket seats. Yeah, fabric seats. Okay, not fabric, I don't know. Alcantara finishing, fabric and Alcantara, that combination, perforated fabric and Alcantara stitching. Ni bucket seats. Waonyeshe vizuri sana. Hey, nice, kila kitu iko perfectly fitted. Nice, storage sections. Nissan Note Nismo, hii nimeuza sana. You have seen so many videos of this particular unit. So yeah, that car I'm giving you at only very market friendly price. Nimewaambia ni 1.45. So proceeding over, we have this as not Subaru, sorry, Volkswagen Polo. Yeah, in blue color. We have another black color outside there. Hii gari nakupet only 2.3 million shillings. Gari ni ya performance, gari ni foreign used, very fine to cruise on the roads. Remember, these units you cannot negotiate on speed with these cars. Very nice. Proceeding over, hii ni ya mwenyewe, ni ya bosi. So proceed over to this Subs 2019. Remember, yeah, XV, I'm giving you at the usual price of 2.7. Alafu we have this other Stepwagon. Honda Stepwagon KDR registration. It's a locally used car. I'm giving you at very affordable, hata si affordable, throwaway price. Not throwaway because it is a bad car. Hii gari nakupatia at 1.9 million shillings. And remember, it is a perfect, it is a 7-seater. Sawa sawa. Na sijui director ni kama tutaonyesha ndani ndio wajue what we mean by 7-seater. Just open the door and show them what we have from inside. Very nice. It is a Honda. Gives you this premium look from the inside. Viti zimelala huko nyuma, but hii inakupatia what? A premium look. You can see the curtains huku kando, air vents to control your AC from behind, lights all over, AC controls, nini, bucket seats za watu saba ndani ya gari. Yes. And we have you can show them over here. We have these cup holders for every seat. Hizi ziko mbele na nyuma. Ni space hapa inatusumbua ndio maana tufiki nyuma. All right. So we have the center console here to hold your cups, okay? Yes, and we have this clean finishing of the dashboard. Android screen, ulikuwa umeshawekewa Android screen. Hii bado unaweza extend, unaweza weka 10 inch, this 8 inches. You can extend that screen to your preference. Dashboard, naitwaje? Odometer pale. This runs at 110,000 kilometers. Hii gari ilikuwa inaenda masafa mingi, si ya watu kutembea sana. We have the paddle shifters for the spins. Remember, Honda will always perform exemplary nice. Exemplarily nice. Kizungu ni mingi. Haya, sawa sawa. Kila kitu on point. Let's proceed. Hii gari nimekwambia nakupatia na 1.9. Come with me, I want to show you this Axela red wine. This unit, red wine Mazda Axela. And remember, Mazda industry is taking over on the roads. Squeezy sasa, the narrative is almost changing from the car in front of you is always a Toyota now to a Mazda, apparently, because Mazda zimedominate the industry today. Mnanunuanga magari mkisema I want to buy a common car that I will not struggle to get a mechanic. Mazdas ziko sawa. Hapo nyuma mwaonyesha iko na cup holders, katikati iko na armrest. Very nice. Gari iko chini vizuri. Nice and easy. This car gives you the best performance, spins running up to 180 keyless entry. You can engage your sporty modes over here. nini radio controls, gear shifters, nini hii unaweza drift, ukiamua kudrift unaweza drift na there's a handbrake sawa, kila kitu iko on set. Very basic car and very classic car. In the industry never disappoints. Come with me as we proceed, uonyeshe mbele tukiendelea. Nice, close the door. Yeah, show them the front look. Nice and easy. This unit I'm giving you at a very clean and affordable price. Mungu wangu, sijakunywa maji of 2.3 million shillings. Buy and use this car locally as the first user. Coming over to this other car, Suzuki. Remember I'm telling you this, these days, every person is thinking of a business on the roads as a cab driver or an entrepreneur who has invested in the cab industry. Sawa. So this is a Suzuki Wagon R. Gari kwa barabara inatesa. This is selling at 900,000. Come show them this interesting look on the doors. Bua onyeshe hiyo mlango vile inakaa. Hiyo kioo very interesting, massive space on the rear. Yes, so this is a 4-seater. Ukibebwa nyuma uko na good legroom, good headroom. You don't have to struggle. Yeah, the driver pia akona good space. The passenger on the front seat akona the perfect space. Very nice. Now, wow. Gari ni smart. Iko biashara ina perform vizuri sana by the way. It doesn't consume mafuta, inanusa kunusa. Remember, hizi gari ndogo hawa wadudu especially hawa wadudu nimetoka kuwauzia hapa nyuma. Hawakunywangi mafuta. They don't consume a lot of fuel. Kazi ni kunusa. Kunusa tu inakusave economically, uko sorted. We have this other unit here, very interesting unit, and this is an exclusive unit. I want you to show them all around as we proceed and tuonyeshe ndani. Yes, show them all around. All right, nice one. This car is an hybrid, Mitsubishi. It's an hybrid. Remember, it can give you a service of up to 5 people. Inakubebea watu 5. Waonyesha nyuma director. Very nice. Nyuma inakubebea watu 3, mbele inakubebea watu 2. Sawa. Mambo inakuwa mufti kabisa. Boot space perfect for your luggage. Headroom na legroom massive kabisa. Huku mbele unakalia unasikia ni kama uko kwa train. Gari ni kubwa vizuri. Bucket seats kidogo inakaa semi bucket seats, inakupea very very comfortable feeling. Movements unakuwa protected from getting out of the shit. From the rear here, I'm going to give you a very 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 interesting feature yenye maybe haukuwa una expect on such a unit. Hizi ni cup holders. Kwa viti zote mbili unapata cup holders double. Kwanza hii unaweka chesa na hii unaweka drink yako. Very nice. Mambo inakuwa mufti kabisa. Hii gari inakupatia a very very clean offer of 1.3 million, 1.25 in fact. Nimeambiwa ni 1.25. Kujia gari. Kuja tuendelee. Come with me director. Yeah. So we have this Mazda Demio. Mazda Demio zilikuwa phased out. So currently we are having Mazda 2, but this is a Mazda Demio. And you can show them at least what we have all around. We have parking sensors. Nice. Fog lights. Uko mbele. Alloy rims. 17-inch wheels. Yes. Zinaitwa aje? Hizo miguu 17 inches. You can extend that by 2. Waonyesha ndani. And let's show them the inside what you have. Yeah, Mazdas will always have almost the similar kind of a look, but different adjustments hapa na pale. You can see the paddle, the control, cruise controls, radio controls. You can pick your phones from here. Mambo inakuwa shwari kabisa. Yes, very clean unit from the inside. You have the dashboard, the odometer. Odometer reads at 96,000. It's so hot here. 96,000 kilometers. The screen at the middle, you can extend that to the screen of your preference. Dashboard, you can have very very premium experience, especially if you're going for looks. We have more storage units, sections, and we have this leather finishing on the dashboard. Nice. Kuja iko na armrest mzuri, by the way. Armrest very fine. Hii unawekewa hadi pochi la kuweka simu. This one, yeah. Na bado hii pochi mambo inakuwa mzuri. armrest extend, unaongezea more cup holders, more drinks hapa. Unaekelea mkono hapa kama unataka kusongesha. Nice. Mambo mufti. Hiyo handbrake, charging ports, disc, hiyo CD, radio, AC, mambo mzuri. Waonyesha nyuma, sekunde moja tuende mbele. Nice. Kitu mzuri sana Mazda Demio. There's a diesel engine. Hii inakupatia at only guess what? 1.45 million. Kuja tuende the next video. The next unit. Now, kuna mali niona Toyota Yaris. Ilikuwa wapi? Oh, unfortunately hatukumaliza kuziangalia zote. So let's proceed and have a view of this particular unit. We can show them the Toyota Corolla. Sawa, hii gari nimeuzia sana. Parking sensors, the massive honeycomb design of the grille. We have the LED matrix. We have the DRLs, nini, alloy rims. Mambo mzuri. It's an hybrid na kusave mafuta. Hybrid tells you it can give you up to even 24 kilometers per liter. Ukiendesha gari vizuri. Sawa. Show them from the inside. Waonyesha ndani. Nice, that is what you experience from the inside, eh? Waonyesha sasa, tuone mbele sasa vile iko. Now, one thing I want you to notice about this particular unit, there's a Toyota Corolla. It exempts itself from other. In fact, it is a special type of a car in this particular lot of Corolla, sawa? Because there's a sporty version of the unit of the Toyotas. You can adjust your, remember it comes with a telescopic steering. You can adjust juu, mbele, juu, chini, kando, nyuma. Yeah, you can adjust all those modes. Comes with the cruise controls over here, radio controls. You can pick your calls. Mambo zako zinakuwa mufti sana hapa. This screen at the middle here, you can extend this to 10 inches or even slightly more. Yeah, and comes with this finish of the leather on the dashboard, covers all the section. Hapa kuna plastic, my friend, leather, full leather. Yeah, AC controls hapa, nini, everything on. Remember I've told you it is a Corolla Sport, meaning it gives you a very high performance in terms of speed. Bio power iko nayo, ground clearance iko fiti kabisa. The car has the best stability. Speakers all round. Very nice. Kuja tuendelee nikiwaambia the bei ya hii gari. Hizi gari remember na waambia ziko foreign used. So bei ni zile, you're the first local user of this car. This car I'm giving you at only 1.9 million shillings. Clean offer, go home with a sporty car and drive peacefully. So next I'm giving you this other unit here. Inaitwa Toyota Sienna. Toyota Sienna comes with this combination of halogen lights and projectors that serve you so well at night. 2019 model. Comes with what? Nice. Niko natafuta kama iko na 360. Haina 360, but you can extend, unawezeka bado fog lights zako hapa. Mambo inakuwa shwari vizuri. It's a KDV registration. Gari ni mpya. I don't know what you're waiting for. You're not coming for this car. You will be the first car to use the first user to drive this car. Iko na milango mbili sliding, but moja ndio iko automated. We have everything here. You can control your collision. You have anti-collision, lane assist, nini. Yeah, here ina paddle shifters. We have these knobs to control your AC, nini. Mambo shwari kabisa. We have these fabric seats. Yeah, it's a 7-seater. It's a 6-seater, but it is the executive version because you see the rear section comes in hapa nyuma, badala ya kubebea watu 3 inakubebea watu 2 because we have the segments to hold your cups. Sijui utafungua hiyo mlango uonyesha vizuri director. Nice. Yeah, you can show them. We have hizo nini, cup holders, armrests, fabric seats, hizi zinataka watu wa usafi. Mambo mufti sana. Roof ni very clean. Yes, you need a clean person to maintain this unit. Sawa sawa, hii gari nakupatia, tuendelee nikiwaambia bei. Hii gari nakupatia, and it is a, by the way, it is a key to start. Squeeze inakujanga with two versions of a keyless entry and key to start. So this one I'm giving you at only 1550. Na remember I've given you another unit as a 5-seater non-hybrid, nilikuwa nawapatia na 1550. Pia hii ni non-hybrid 1550. Come with me. BMW 218i. BMW, kama hujapatana na BMW 7-seater na kuonyesha hii leo. This one is a 7-seater today. Director, come with me. Waonyesha ndani vile inakaa tukiendelea. 7-seater version of a BMW. It's a German machine, eh? German machines mnafikirianga hazina 7-seater, ndio hiyo. Haya. Massive space hapa mbele. Driver, good space, headroom, perfect. Digital rear mirror. We have this finishing of leather dashboard, dash finishing with this grayish finishing of a plastic. Infotainment screen, AC controls, kila kitu. Gari mambo inakuwa mufti sana. Hapa you have the storage sections. Alright, you can store your mavitu zako hapo. Umewekewa hadi mat hapo ya kuwekelea mzigo zako. More storage for the glasses here and tumblers. Ukitaka kuwekelea more your phones and charging port iko hapa. You can extend more charging ports from this section. Very nice. Nyuma, tuonyeshe nyuma. Hii haina mambo mingi sana. Tusiwaste masaa zote hapa. Yes, from the rear here we have this storage sections hapa za kuweka your bahashas and so on. AC controls, more extension of charging ports. AC controls for ya, nimewambia AC controls za watu wa nyuma ndio wasiungue na jua sana. And remember, I told you it is a what? A 7-seater. So what do? Lakini kiti ya nyuma si reliable sana. Hii ni ya kuweka watoto. Yeah, watoto wakae hapo nyuma watulie because it can't hold huge bodies. Cup holders hapo katikati nyuma. Mambo inakuwa mufti sana. Mambo inakuwa shwari kabisa. Yes. So tumalizie. This unit I'm giving you at only 2.35 million shillings. Hiyo ni bei yako. Hatujaongea. Tutaongea kidogo tukupunguzia kakitu. Bei mzuri. Drive your car home. We have over here, there's a Mercedes B180. B180 comes with a premium finishing in the interior. Come with me, director. Come with me. Kuja uingie pande hii waonyeshe ndani vile iko. B180. Yes. B180. Very nice. Oh, gari safi nakwambia, ndani yake mambo ni mwecheche. Leather seats, finishing of the center inakuwa ni fabric. Mambo safi sana. Show them the dashboard vizuri kindly. Hii gari haijaenda. You're the first local user of this car because it's giving you 96,000 kilometers. Haijaenda. So you'll have yourself to flex with this particular unit. We have the leather finishing on the dashboard, AC vents, AC controls. We have this infotainment screen that acts as a radio as well. You can adjust the screen to your preference. Unaweza weka ile nyingine inaenda hadi huko ya kusplit the screen. You have your manual entry, your manual command entry that you can control your radio. Yeah, you can control your navigation, telephone. You have everything is important. You can pick your calls, nini, AC controls hapa na pale. Remember this unit comes with heated seats and the electric heated seats, my friend. Yeah, you're going to adjust kila kitu. Mambo safi kabisa. And what else? Hizi ni effects za viti, ACs, more storage units hapa na pale, charging ports. Mambo safi sana. More storage sections, very nice. I want you to see what we have over here. Armrest, more storage units hapa na pale, cup holders, adjustments kila mahali. Mtu wangu, what are you waiting for if you're not coming for this particular car? Na hata bei si ati ni mbaya. Bei ni mzuri sana. Leather kila mahali. Waonyesha nyuma. Aya. From the rear is where you get at least kama wewe ni mtu wa Kama wewe ni VIP design, this is where you enjoy your comfort. We have the cup holders over here. Mambo mzuri sana. We have more extension of in fact, we have this and we have the armrest. So, armrest, cup holders, Sherehe Pro Max. Hapa nyuma, sijui kama space iko enough. No. Wanaonekana? Yeah, the space is good enough. Very nice, very nice. Speakers hadi kwa milango. Perfect. Everything really set for you. Hizi gari mbili, remember nimekuambia, the BMW 218i na hii B180 Mercedes, yes, that BMW 218 inakuja zote mbili zinakuja na automated tailgates. Automated tailgates. Yes, hii gari nakupatia at only 2.2 million shillings, eh? Nice. Kuja kwa hii sasa. This is a Honda Fit. Honda Fit 2018 model. I'm giving you at a very clean. See 2018 hii bwana. This is not 2018. It's a 2016 model. Yes. 2016 model. This unit I'm giving you at only 1.35 million shillings. Gari safi. Look at the interior, clean finishing, fabric seats. Nini. Mambo soft kabisa. Mambo ni soft kabisa. Nice one. Naonyesha massive space, legroom mzuri, headroom mzuri. Gari unanunua, unaenda nyumbani. Perfect. Bila stress. Our deals are clear. Remember, ukikuja na cash deal, we'll always consider you for the best offers. So make a call today. Let us discuss business. Let us do business. We can deliver your car. You can come for your car. You can make inquiries. We can help you import one. If you want to navigate the import industry, chaguo ni lako. Gari ziko kwa wingi, bei ni mzuri. Make a call to us today or follow us for more videos at Next Wheels YouTube and other platforms. Next Wheels Ed Video.